How to choose verification method in Wise. Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to show you how to choose your suitable verification methods into your Wise platform. So without any further ado, let's dive right in. Now, in order to choose, you just simply have to open your Wise application and then unlock the application at first. And after unlocking the application, you will get to see this profile picture icon into the top left corner. And from there, you will get to see a bunch of options. Simply select settings and then tap to privacy and security. After going into the privacy and security option, you will get to see this two-step verification options into here. Simply tap to two-step verification and you will get your verification methods option and other verification method. You can choose any of the suitable methods that is available to you. First one is Wise app, second one is text message, and the third one is authenticator applications such as Google Authenticator, Microsoft Authenticator, and many more. Just simply select the suitable option for you and then just enable it as you want it. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.